Hello everyone. In this video we'll go over using Write and Cite for RefWorks using Microsoft Word. So here we are in our Microsoft Word document. It's nothing fancy at the moment for this demonstration, but it'll get the job done. And now that I'm ready to actually cite something, I'm going to go to the RefWorks tab that's sort of towards the top center of the screen. Click on that, and that shows me my options at the moment. It looks like I need to log in before I can do anything, so I'm going to find the login button and then click that to get this pop-up box here that will let me enter in my username and password. And then once I click the login button, I'm ready to go. I've got all my options available, nothing grayed out to show that I can't use it at the moment. The first thing I'm going to do here is sync my database. This updates the RefWorks database that's in Microsoft Word to reflect what's in your RefWorks account online at the moment. Just in case you might have added some citations or deleted some, it keeps everything current, which you need when you're working on a paper. Once that's done, I'm going to go over to the style option. So in this case, MLA 8 is selected, but that's not the style I want to use for this particular paper. So I'm going to click on that, or the little triangle beside MLA 8 that gives me this drop-down menu. And then I'm going to find APA 6th, so that I'm using the APA 6th edition citation style. As you see here, so now that that's set up, I'm ready to make my citation. So I find Insert Citation, click that, and then find Insert New in the drop-down menu. Click that, and here in the pop-up box, I can find the search box towards the top of it, and input our search term autism, which should pick up all the articles that we've looked for so far. Once I search for that, here's all our options. For this demo, I'm going to choose the first one that's highlighted in blue now. Select that, and you'll see it in the preview citation box there, sort of towards the middle, and then also in the composed citation box at the bottom. I can double check to make sure that that's the one that I need. Click OK, and there it is in the document itself. So now that I've got that done, I'm ready to make my works cited list. To do that, I go to Bibliography Options and click on that to get the drop-down menu with all the options that I can try. At this point, Insert Bibliography is the only one, so I click that, and there it is right below the main text of the document. Now, one thing that I need to do to finish off the document is to remove what RefWorks calls field codes. These are bits of code that allow it to track the citations that you put in a document so that it can then create the works cited list. But it's better to remove them before submitting the final draft of your document so that it's not obvious that you use something like RefWorks. To do that, I click the Remove Field Codes link that you see the red arrow beside. I get the standard warning box, click OK, and now my field codes are removed. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We welcome in-person visits, but you can also reach us via phone at 315-792-3044 for the information desk, or 315-792-3041 for the circulation desk. You can also email us at refere@utica.edu. Thank you for your time and attention.